Hi friends, Suzanne here, a Canadian Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Welcome to my new mini-series called Rockin' the Retiring List. The new annual catalog is just around the corner, but I was hoping to celebrate and utilize products that are available now in the retiring catalogs. And if all goes well, I can share some creative ideas using these items. So follow along with me for the next little while for some crafty fun and inspiration with the Stampin' Up! Retiring List. In the last video, I said I would share a video about how just to use the ice cream cone punch, and that's what I'm going to do today. So this was some rainbow glitter paper, I think, or I'm not sure. It was from my stash anyway, and it's sort of a copper color, and I thought it would be great for the cone. And then this is the rainbow glitter paper for sure, and it is retiring. And I wanted to get sort of a two-tone on my ice cream, so there's that. And then here's a blue part of that rainbow glitter paper. So I'm just punching out the cones, the ice cream scoops, and then I did go in with, I think this is Blackberry Bliss, for some sprinkles on the cones. This is completely optional. And I used Early Espresso to do the cross hatching of the waffle cone. And it actually did work well on those glitter papers. I was surprised. So I have the sprinkles here from the Sweet Ice Cream stamp set. Now I know that it is unavailable now. It was one of the last chance products, and this is what we're finding getting closer and closer to when the new catalog launches. We are seeing a lot of our favorite stamp sets become unavailable, and just a lot of stuff you can't buy anymore. So I would definitely encourage you, if you're watching this on Thursday, April 21st, this is a free shipping day. So you could go in and look at your last chance products because they're probably reduced in price considerably. And then you'll have a free shipping, like skip that 11% shipping fee. So here, this is polished pink, and I stamped a couple of times and then I just set it off to side because I wasn't 100% sure what I was going to do with the sentiment for this card. I did cut a little bit away, and one of the tricks that in a sentiment that is that small, I always stamp a couple on a little strip of paper so that I know I'll know that I'll be able to use one of them. All right, so moving on, that was You're a Peach Designer Series paper, and it is retiring, and I believe that is the scalloped, I can't remember what it's called, you guys. I'll put a list in the description box below for that scalloped die cut. It's scallop something. Anyway, I'm adhering my ice cream scoops together, and then I want you to count how many dimensionals I have going on here. I think I used 7 on these tiny ice cream cones. I mean, really, I tease myself about abuse of the dimensionals. Yep, that's exactly 7 dimensionals, you guys. Sigh. All right, so I adhered my ice cream cone to that lovely frame, and then I didn't even bother counting how many dimensionals I used on this piece, but it is going on my balmy blue card base. So you saw me ink up the sentiment, You're So Cool, in polished pink, and now this is Misty Moonlight. I did cut out the part that I stamped with black. So sometimes you have to stamp it out and see what you're wanting for the card design. So I ended up cutting Your out, and then I cut out So Cool from another piece. And basically, if you cut too close, it looks funny. So that's part of the reason why you want to stamp it a couple of times. Anyway, so I stamped that up, and then I cut it out, and then I put a strip of dimensional adhesive in behind the So Cool. And I also added a couple opal rounds to the card front, and those are not retiring, so they'll be around with us for another year at least. And again, I'll list the products that I used today in the description of this video and the supplies section of my blog. And if you've found value in this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of my Rockin' the Retire List videos, please subscribe. It really helps me out a lot. And of course, comment below if you have a question or just want to say hi. I want to thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.